Alright, good morning, guys. So, today I'm going to share with you how to prepare a manuscript for RMTB. Alright, RMTB is a publication proceeding known as Research in Management of Technology and Business. So, normally, after every PSM, supervisor will choose student, their PSM student, to convert their seminar paper, PSM seminar paper, to RMTB format, and we will publish in this proceeding. It is published by Penerbit UTHM. Okay, so if you ask me, this would be your stepping stone for your first publication article. Okay, all right. First of all, I will share this template later in the group. Okay, so let me explain here. First thing, the each publication, it has the volume number and issue number. So in this case, our volume number is 5. Okay, so you can see that each volume have 2 issue. Okay, like one volume is 1 sidang, something like that, something like 1 session, and each number is like semester. So each volume have 2 issue. So this time we have volume 5, issue number 1. Later on we have issue number 2, something like that. But this one you don't need to worry, I already changed. You no need to change. I repeat, you don't change the number here. I already changed. This question mark here, I put 2 question mark. These 2 question mark here is your page number. Okay, this page number you no need to write anything. Don't do anything. Don't change. Just leave it like this. Later I will do this. So this one no changes. Okay, no changes. Just leave it like this. Don't worry. EISSN number also don't change. Don't leave it first. Now, when you're going to convert your PSM title, PSM seminar paper to RMTB. So basically you're going to copy and paste. When you do copy and paste, you cannot copy all. You cannot press, for example, let's say this is your seminar. Let's say this is your seminar paper. Okay, this is your seminar paper. You cannot press all. Okay, if you press select all, it will select all and copy and paste. Just dump like that. Cannot. It doesn't work like that. You have to do one by one, slowly. Okay, I kindly request your cooperation on this. It will take, I think at most it will take maybe 2 hours, something like that. I don't think so it will take 2 hours. I think still 1.5 or 1 hour, something like that. Just spend some time. Copy and paste patiently. Do one by one like this. You see, for title you copy this one, copy. Okay, if I were you, I just paste it here. Right click, A here. You can see the format is there, and then only I erase this one, and then put it like this. Okay, this is how I do one by one. Okay, just exactly follow the format that is for title. Okay, and then here you write your name. Copy and paste, type your name, and here's the second one is your supervisor's name. Okay, your supervisor's name, and be careful when you copy and paste. Be careful, you start from here, not the one leave it here. Okay, I don't think so you will have a number 2. It's just both of you will have 1. Okay, this 1 is telling which affiliation you are. Okay, from which university you are from. Okay, so you and your supervisor is from the same department and same university, so don't change anything, don't need to put 2 here. And this asterisk here is only for your supervisor, you don't need. You write your name here nicely, and you write your supervisor's name here nicely. Okay, do it, do it patiently, slowly. Okay, don't rush yourself. Okay, do slowly, one by one, little bit. I will give you some more time. And then if, okay, for your name first, let me settle with your name first. If you are Muslim, okay, your name like this. Okay, like for example, if your name is Putri no Maliana, supposed to be Binti no Hakim, isn't it? So that Bin and Binti you don't need to write here, just write like this. And your supervisor's name, like say your supervisor is Dr. Ita, so just Ita Wahab. No need to put doctor, no need to put professor, no need to put Professor Madia, no, just name, just the name only, like this. Okay, like this. And then this time the format, this is a new format. Okay, this is the new format, this is the old format. There's an N here, but I think in the new format they never put an N, so don't need to write the N first, just put a comma here. Okay, alright, so that is for Muslim. Don't put the Binti and Bin. For Chinese, you can write your name like this. Okay, and for Indian, like my name here, I like to write my name R, because all the way I was using this name. And some you can also write Anal Lucky here. Okay, you can also use Anal Lucky, but normally in what you call in scholarly writing, for Indians we don't put Anal Lucky, we just straight away write our father's name here, Ramas. My father's name Ramasamy, so just write Ramasamy here. It's up to you. You can, I prefer to write like this, but if you want to put your father's name there on the back, can also. Okay, okay, so this is the how to write the names. Okay, here in the template I have already, since all of us are from Department of Management Technology, JPT, I have written the full address, so you no need to change anything here. It's just I write in both language, okay, English and Malay here. If your article is in Malay, then you erase this one, okay. The address is in table, so you just click here, delete the row, you will have a Malay address only, and of course your title all in Malay, isn't it? But if your article is in English, then you erase the Malay address like this. Okay, don't write both language, just one, and it is always one. This one is telling you, you see, you can, in the name there's a 1, and you see SV name also there's a number 1, isn't it? That tells you that you guys, both of you, are from this department, that's all. If somebody else from other university, then only we put 2. Okay, that 1 is telling you which, from you guys are from which university or department. Yeah, I hope that is clear. Now, corresponding author email, UTHM email is uthm.edu.my all the way. It's just the front, the domain name or the surname, okay, the username, sorry, is your supervisor's name. So you have to find your supervisor's email. If not mistaken, if your supervisor is Dr. Ita, then if you find in Google, just put your supervisor's name like this, you will have Professor Madia, Dr. Ita Wahab. You can see the email here. So Ita UTHM edu.my. If you put my name, okay, just put short enough, and then you can see my address here, email address here, something like that. So just write your supervisor's email here. Okay, I just put a asterisk first here. okay, and then this one all I leave it like this. I just give you example just now. Article info received, accepted, available online, don't change. Okay, this is fixed, don't change, no need to change. Abstract, you copy and paste from your seminar paper. Okay, in the abstract you can see how they arrange. First sentence describe the nature or background, okay, the introduction. Subsequent sentence the problem statement, something exactly like your seminar paper. Copy and paste. Okay, as I told you, when you copy and paste, do it slowly. Okay, okay, copy. If I were you, of course you guys might be better than me, I mean, in dealing with the word, but since I'm working on this for a very long time, no matter how we try to make things faster, but end of the day, when once you finish the seminar paper, somewhere some format will won't follow the exact thing. So if you follow slowly, I mean, you do things slow and steady, then you will do the things properly. So mine is here, and then you can cut here, and this is the going to be your abstract. Yeah? All right, that is just an example. Later you can do that. Okay, this is, you see, if you look at this, I have written here abstract in English, and also there's another one abstract in Malay. Okay, of course keyword, and there's a kata kunci in Malay. Okay, if your article in Malay, then you have to write in English, and also you have to write in Malay. Okay, if your article in Malay language, if your article in English, then Malay abstract no need, kata kunci semua tak perlu, no need, no need, this one no need. You can erase this, you can erase this one, and this one you can erase if your article is in English. If your article is in Malay, then you have to insert the abstract in English here, extra thing. I hope you guys understand. Anything you don't know, you just ask me. And then the rest is exactly follow your seminar paper, copy and paste for introduction. Okay, introduction, let me tell you something. I think most of you will write something like this, introduction, and there's 1.1 introduction. Okay, I think in this case you take the 1.1 introduction here, this one, 1.1 introduction, copy this one, and you paste it here. So the 1.1 will become the 1.1 will become the main introduction, and 1.1 here is your 1.2. Here, problem statement. You write here problem statement. Okay, and then continue all the way. Okay, just follow, copy and paste. Just follow exactly the format here. Okay, all the format. You can see after the paragraph there's an indent. Okay, make sure the indent is there. There's no spacing. There's no spacing like this. It's just attached to one to another. All right, and then for the subheading, I would like to write here subheading. Of course, you will have wait, anyway, all the comments are here now. For your subheading here, suddenly I cannot write. Okay, you start with 1. Okay, you start with 1 here, 1. Okay, supposed to be okay 1, and then if you want to write the subheading, you write here 1.1. okay, of course you can go 1.1. I write it here 1 and then 1.1, and then down here you can still go on with 1.11. okay, after 1.1, of course you will have 1 here and then 1.1. If you have another subheading, you can go 1.11. okay, for number wise, I think you just stop here to make your manuscript interesting. Just stop here, 1.1, 1.11. After this, don't go some more. Don't write 1.1.1. No. After this, if you still have subheading, you go by ABC. ABC. Okay. Under the A, if you still have subheading, you go by bullet. So this is the main subheading, this one. Down here, you can still go 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. But under 1.1, if you want to go subheading, you can still go 1.1, 1.1. Okay, you can see here until here they have gone 1.41 something. But after that, if you want to go another subheading, you do A, B, C. And under A, if you still want to continue subheading, you can also put bullets if you want. Okay, just try to adjust your things nicely. Okay, that is one. Alright, that is regarding all these things, subheading. The rest you just follow the table. You can see here the table here. Just follow table. Title is on top of the table. Exactly follow this format of table. There's no column line here. Okay, only horizontal line here. Okay, exactly follow the table here, and then you can see in the foot here, header and footer. Don't change anything here. Okay, don't need to change the page number, anything. No need to do anything. Okay. And then that's it. For figure, if you have a figure, you put, and then the title goes down like this, exactly follow like this. And then here for acknowledgement, there's one part of acknowledgement in English. For Malay, if you have Malay article, that is penghargaan. Choose, I already write here. Okay, I already write here. Choose any one of them. If English, you choose English. If Malay, then you choose Malay, either one of them. Conflict of interest, don't do anything, just leave it. And here author contribution, okay, author contribution, uh, in this section it's asking what is your contribution for each part of the paper. For example, study conception and design, you write your name, okay, you can write here your name and your supervisor's name here, okay, you write your name and supervisor's name. Data collection is your name, maybe you are the only one collect data, isn't it? Analysis and interpretation of the result, depends, you can write your name or your supervisor's name. Draft manuscript preparation, your name and your supervisor's name, okay. If who is in charge for which part, that's how you write, okay. Appendix, if you want to include any appendix, you include it here, okay, any appendix. And references follow your seminar paper, okay, all the references exactly follow your seminar paper. So that's it, that's the thing, okay. The rest all you can erase, I mean delete the unnecessary thing. I will share this article in the what do you call, in our WhatsApp group. You do slowly, take your time, I will give you some time. Today is 23rd so maybe I can give you until 3rd of March okay. The due date for submission is, this is only preparation, I had to go through with submission thing. Okay, the due date is 15 to submit in the system. Later I will put another video on how to submit in the open access thing. So this is the thing, you try to prepare your journal, okay. Some of you have submitted to me, 1 or 2% submitted to me, but you just double check whether all this, you use this template now, the one I'm going to send. Maybe you can change that, okay, and then submit to me. When how to submit this, I will prepare Google form, okay. I will prepare Google form, you fill up and then you upload in the Google form, okay. Don't submit in the WhatsApp, you upload in my Google form, the one I'm going to prepare and submit to you, okay. All right, so for the time being, that's all. If there's anything, I will update in the group all these things. All right, take care guys, bye.